for the AC. I'm sorry if you guys can hear the AC. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lizzie, and today I kind of want to do a I do want to do a look using the Zulu Palette from Juvia's place. And I'm just gonna go right on in and create something. I'm not sure what. I'm thinking something warm on the crease and then maybe going in with one of these blue colors. I don't know. I'm just gonna go for it. Yeah. So the sealer trip this weekend, I was trying to find one. I couldn't find the one I was in light. So I went, when I first was looking for it, I found this light one, the one I just showed you. But when I went into Ulta, I noticed it had the Color Pop no filter, and I ended up grabbing their white, or their lightest color for concealer, which is literally like Snow White, because that one's even lighter, as you can see. And I thought it would be a perfect shade for like when I want to do bright colors, which I'm going to do today. So I might use this one as a base. I don't know, maybe I'll do one on each eye and see if one is better than the other one to use as a base. So maybe I'll do that. Whatever that is. Fair. I'm just going to use that as a base though. Just to try it out, and I use this one on this side. See what happens. Oh, this might really change the look of mine. I really wish I found this concealer in my shade because it looks pretty. I don't know if you can tell in camera, but this camouflage looks a lot more pigmented. A lot more pigmented than the Color Pop one, for sure. Look at that. So I'm going to start off this look by using that really warm brown from Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just placing that in my crease and blending it out. Really packing that color into the crease. That's how I'm going to start it off. And lightly blending it, like ever so lightly. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Just love how warm toned this brown is. It's almost like orangey. So pretty. This is the M506 from Morphe. And I'm going to go in with this orange shade. And I'm gonna lightly buff out the ends of this shadow. See? What I ended up doing was putting this bright orange, and then I used some of this to kind of buff out the ends even more. I decided that I want a little more depth in this look. Since I just got the Subculture palette, I wanted to kind of give it a shot. And in the palette, there's this color, Fudge, which is similar to the color I was using from the Zulu palette, except it's darker. It was the perfect brown to kind of deepen it up. It really stands out when you cut the crease. Like the darker the shade is in the crease, the more the cut crease stands out. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. I'm going in with Fudge, and I'm just really deepening the crease, and I'm using the M506 from Morphe, which is, you know, this thin brush right there and detail brush, and I'm just going into the crease. That is the only color that I'm using outside of the Zulu palette, just that. And since I know that it's really pigmented, I'm trying to go in really lightly. And now I go back into the brown from the Zulu palette, so I can really blend out the edges. And I use a slightly bigger brush, the M505, and I just, you know, try to blend out the edges. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. light concealer, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease because I thought it was super creamy and I like how pigmented it was. What kind of cut crease I want to do? I think I'm just gonna do kind of like almost all the way, but I'm gonna stop like halfway, like a halfway crease, I guess. Now I'm taking a fluffy concealer brush and I'm gonna use it to blend out the end of my cut crease so it blends in a little bit. I decided I want to go in with this green right there, all over the lid. So that's what we're doing today. Okay, I think for the inner corner, I'm either do the blue. No, I'm gonna do the yellow. Yellow is good. This green all over the lid, this yellow in the corner. So these are the two colors. I'm gonna do the same thing in the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with both of the eyes. Now I think this is beautiful just the way it is. I love these colors. I love that palette. Oh my god, so vibrant. And I didn't even like add any liquid or anything to intensify the green. It's just naturally so pretty. So I'm thinking of adding these Stila eyeshadows over it. This is a gold with like there's flecks in it. I don't know, it's like a white gold. But then this one is called Mint, which has these specks of green in it, but also blue and a little bit of purple. It's like dual chrome. I don't know. Come on. You can do it. There you go. I think I want to use this. Just a little bit of shine in the center. A little extra. Just hope I don't mess up the look. That's cute. I like it. I don't know if you can see. I think these lights are too bright. Look how pretty that is. I'm actually excited about the lashes. I found this company through Instagram. The company is Devious lashes, and they gave me like this handwritten note, which I thought was cute because it was handwritten. And then you open the box and it came with the 3 lashes I ordered, which these I think are going to be my favorite, and I think I'm going to wear these today. So it came with the lashes, but it was nicely packaged, and I did, which they had 3 lashes and they had it nicely wrapped up, and they had like roses, petals in here, which I thought was cute. And oh, and I guess they gave me this for free, which is, looks like a little jar of cosmetic glitter, which is so cute. So yeah, thank you Devilish Lashes for the free little glitter and the cute packaging. And the style of lashes I ended up getting, oh, these are pretty too, I don't know which ones I want, is Dre. I think that's what this one is called, Dre. They're beautiful. I also got this style in Emilio. These are really pretty too. I don't know which ones I want to use. These are Emilio. Come on, focus. Look how pretty they are. Maybe I'll use these. I also got this style. These are really pretty too. Cocoa, which look beautiful. So, okay, I really like Cocoa, but Emilio is looks like a little less dramatic, and I don't want to cover up the eyes, so I'm gonna use Emilio. I actually put the lashes on, which are beautiful. Might not have put it on like the right way, but they're okay for now. Finish off the rest of the face. I'm gonna add a blush, I'm gonna add a highlighter, and I'm gonna add a lipstick. That's pretty much all that's left. Or I'm gonna put the same brown up there, I'm gonna put it down here. That's all I'm doing. A little mascara and I will be done. And when I come back, it should all be finished. Should have done something with my hair, but it is late. It is like 4 in the morning and I'm still up. I've had technical difficulties with this camera. I'm so tired right now. But this place, so this is the look I created using this palette. Pretty much use just these colors here and that green. So just using these 4 colors and one additional color from a different palette just to darken up the crease. But yeah, I really do love the look that I came up with using that palette. I really love that palette. Like that, these are some really pretty colors. Like, look at that. I gotta say that I love the palette. Yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos. And